Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to place for all things product-related. Today, we're checking out the Waring commercial WSB60 Big Stix Heavy-Duty Immersion Blender, a powerhouse designed to handle the toughest commercial kitchen tasks. If you're in the market for a reliable immersion blender that can whip up sauces, soups, and dressings with speed and precision, you're going to want to stick around. This blender promises to do it all, and we're here to find out if it really holds up to its claims. The Waring commercial WSB60 is built to deliver high performance with a robust 1 HP 700-watt variable speed motor that promises to power through even the densest mixtures. This blender features a 16-inch removable stainless steel shaft capable of mixing large quantities, up to 25 gallons or 100 quarts. With a completely sealed shaft and dishwasher-safe design, cleaning up after use becomes a breeze, which is critical for commercial kitchens where time is of the essence. Its comfort grip ensures a secure and controlled operation, so even lengthy blending sessions won't leave your hands aching. The rubberized handle gives that extra level of security, helping prevent any slips when in use. In terms of materials, the Waring WSB60 is designed with stainless steel and plastic, making it both sturdy and lightweight enough to maneuver around. It's specifically made for emulsifying ingredients, which means it's built to create perfectly smooth textures for sauces, dressings, and soups. With the added bonus of a continuous on feature, it's set up for high-volume, consistent blending, making it a solid pick for busy commercial kitchens that demand precision and efficiency. Now, how does this blender actually perform in real-world use? I put it to the test by blending various mixtures in different kitchen settings. The first test was for a large batch of soup, something thick and hearty. With its 700-watt motor, the WSB60 powered through the vegetables and stock with ease. It didn't bog down or overheat, and the soup came out perfectly smooth. The removable shaft made cleanup simple. I didn't need to worry about any food getting stuck in hard-to-reach spots, and it was easy to rinse off after use. The comfort grip worked as expected, offering a solid hold even after prolonged use. I also tested it on a batch of thick salad dressing, an emulsifying challenge. Again, the motor performed well, whipping the ingredients together in a matter of seconds, leaving me with a velvety smooth texture. On the flip side, I did notice the weight of the blender. While it's manageable, for those not used to handling larger commercial-grade tools, it could feel a little cumbersome after extended periods. The 16-inch shaft is ideal for larger pots, but in smaller containers, it might feel a little too long to handle with precision, especially if you're working with smaller batches. But considering the blender's target audience, high-volume kitchens, that's a minor issue. When it comes to value, the Waring WSB60 stands in a unique place. At its price point, it isn't the cheapest immersion blender you'll find, but you're paying for professional-grade power and durability. If you compare it with other commercial blenders in the same category, such as the Hobart or Blendtec options, the WSB60 holds its own in terms of performance. However, it's important to note that the Waring model is particularly suited for larger batch sizes and heavy-duty commercial use, making it an ideal investment for restaurants or caterers rather than home kitchens. The 25-gallon mixing capacity puts it in a different league compared to standard home-use models, which typically max out around 3 to 5 gallons. In terms of build quality, the Waring WSB60 impresses with its solid construction. The 16-inch stainless steel shaft is rugged and can withstand the heavy demands of a professional kitchen. The motor feels reliable and steady under pressure, which is something you definitely want in a product like this, given the frequency with which it will likely be used. There isn't a ton of long-term data available yet, but Waring has a solid reputation in the commercial equipment space, and based on the general durability of the product, I feel confident in saying this is a blender built to last. As long as it's maintained properly, particularly with regular cleaning after use, this should continue to serve you well over time. Customer support is something that doesn't always get highlighted, but is worth mentioning here. Waring offers solid customer service for their commercial products. They provide easy access to replacement parts and troubleshooting guides, and while I didn't need to contact them directly during this review, the support system appears responsive, as evidenced by the positive feedback from other commercial users online. When it comes to comparisons, if you're looking at other heavy-duty immersion blenders in this price range, the Waring WSB60 holds its ground. Competitors like the Hobart HS7N and Blendtec's Professional series offer similar specs, but Waring's Big Stix stands out with its user-friendly design and comfort grip. Its 16-inch shaft makes it ideal for larger batches, so if you work with big volumes frequently, this feature will likely be a deal breaker for you. In contrast, other models may have a more compact design, but they'll require you to blend smaller quantities or work in multiple batches. So to sum it all up, the Waring Commercial WSB60 Big Stix is a reliable, high-performance immersion blender that's perfect for large-scale, high-volume tasks in a commercial kitchen. Its powerful motor and large shaft make it ideal for blending large quantities, and it delivers smooth, consistent results. While it's not the cheapest option out there, its build quality and performance justify the price, especially for professional use. If you're a restaurant or caterer looking for a blender that can keep up with your demands, this is definitely a solid choice. Before I wrap up, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss one of our in-depth reviews. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you the best product insights. Thanks for watching. If you've used the Waring WSB60, drop a comment below with your experience and feel free to ask any questions you might have. If you're thinking about getting your hands on this blender, check out the link in the comments box. Goodbye till next time. And remember, we bring you the reviews inside TV.